And I am not wanted here. Well, I walk the same roads you do, and you do not find me there. Oh, I haul a heavy burden, I haul it everywhere. Oh, I am a pilgrim, and I seek what is not there. Oh, I seek what is not there.
And that's how you pull the engine out of a Fox body Mustang in real time, not sped up in any way. So what are we doing here for this project? This car is actually, it was a daily driver, and it's actually in pretty decent shape. It's getting parted out, apparently. As you can see, it's got some rust on it. It's got space shuttle miles on it, and the rust on both sides of this thing are kind of bad up front. Underneath doesn't look too bad, but then again, the whole bottom side of this thing is covered in oil. So this is a factory 5.0 hoe motor, high output. If you call 215 horse high output. It's got a T5 transmission, and had some Flowmaster exhaust, which I'm pretty sure Ford should have just put Flowmasters on from the factory, because I think every Mustang ever built ended up with Flowmasters. This engine, I'm getting ready to tear into it here shortly and try to figure out, is it good to put into another car, or is it junk? Do we need to do a whole bunch of machine work? Which I'm sure we do. Look at those wheels. Kind of a fun little car. It needs a strut tires fixed. It needs a Chevy motor put in it, really. But I'm not the owner. I'm just the guy that makes suggestions and moves engines around from one spot to another, to another, to another. Alright. So anyways, that's the big update for today. Man, you don't think that exhaust looks old, do you?
I seek what is not there. I seek what is not there.
The plan is with this engine is once it goes back together, they're going to put a small, just a, not small, but an average size supercharger that, you know, fits on a 5.0. And we'll put it into another car that's maybe not rusted out as bad. And just drive it around on 6 pounds, 8 pounds, whatever it is. Be a nice little fun street car. Look at these little bitty headers. Let me show you something. Okay, this is the exhaust manifold off of a 5.3. Look at that opening compared to the whole header outer diameter from the stock 5.0. Crazy, right?